Hey, good morning, everyone. How you doing? This is Johnny Lopez with the Rocket Channel. Today we have an awesome show for you. We are going to look at Microsoft Team meeting recordings are shifting to OneDrive and SharePoint. So Microsoft recently announced at Ignite that Microsoft Stream will no longer be the meeting recording storage location. You can now store your meeting recordings in OneDrive and SharePoint. So these are shifting from Microsoft Stream to OneDrive and SharePoint. This change should make it easier to find meetings and also to manage as well. So keep that in mind. Here's what you need to know to prepare. What is changing? Today, all meeting recordings are being stored in Microsoft Stream, giving the meeting organizer and or the presenter access to the video and stream where the video is being done. And then when the video is done processed, then they can access the video, change the thumbnail, look at the transcript, share the video, those like the video, watch the video, those different types of things. Soon, the new meeting recordings will be saved in OneDrive or SharePoint. So depending on the situation that you're in, it will be stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. So meeting recordings will be found within the meeting chat as still. When you open the meeting recording, it will either open in OneDrive or SharePoint, depending on who started the meeting and where the meeting is being recorded. When will this change happen? So starting October 5th, organizations can enable saving recordings to OneDrive and SharePoint. November 1st, new meeting recordings will begin to be saved to OneDrive and SharePoint for all organizations, unless you have chosen to delay the change. So you can opt in, opt out kind of thing. So during the early first quarter of 2021, all new meetings recordings will be saved in OneDrive and SharePoint. So you asked Johnny, how do you prepare for this change? So how do we prepare for it? If you're in a meeting organizer, you'll need to know the following things. When a recording is saved to OneDrive, and whose OneDrive? When a recording is saved to SharePoint, where in SharePoint, and how is it related to Microsoft Teams? How to share the recording from people within your organization who didn't attend the meeting? How to share recording with people outside of your organization, if this is enabled. So you have to have external sharing in OneDrive and SharePoint enabled for you to share that video outside of your organization. So if you don't have that enabled today, contact your global or system administrator for Office 365, and they can help. You can help get that feature enabled. The other thing you have to think about is, how do I manage recordings and related assets such as transcriptions, permissions, thumbnails, video trimming, the things that you can do in Microsoft Stream today. How do you manage that? And if you're an attendee, you'll need to know how to access the recording. So where do you access it from? What link? Do you access it from OneDrive? Do you access it from Stream? Can you access it from Microsoft Teams? This is we're going to get into this real quick. So for a standard meeting, this is a meeting scheduled through Teams or Outlook that's scheduled. A standard meeting recording will be stored in OneDrive. It will be stored in a folder named Recordings in your OneDrive. So what happens is, whoever presses record, if you're an organizer or a presenter, that's where the meeting is going to be. That's where the meeting recording is going to be stored, in that presenter or organizer's OneDrive. So the person who starts a recording becomes responsible for the recording file, and it will be stored in their OneDrive. And then also, if the access the recording from the meeting chat feed. So it will post in the meeting chat that video share in the meeting chat for the attendees. If you wish to share the recording with attendees outside your organization, obviously, if you can go click on the native modern share capability, and you can share it with specific people, and it will share that if that is enabled in your organization. All right, so the next thing is, in a channel meeting. So if you do a scheduled or a meet now in a channel meeting where recording will be stored in files for the channel within Teams. It will be stored in a folder called Recording, similar to OneDrive. The recording will be shared automatically with attendees from Teams and any member of that specific team. So keep in mind, if you do a meet now in a channel, that recording will be available to everyone in that channel, in that team itself. So team members will be able to access the recording from the meeting chat feed, or by visiting the files and the recording folder for the channel. Remember, this is all stored in SharePoint too as well. So it's surfaced in Microsoft Teams, but the backend is the SharePoint site that's equivalent to that team. If you wish to share the recording with others inside the information, the recording file will need to be shared using the file sharing option, so the modern sharing capabilities. If you allow anyone in your if you use, excuse me, I'm sorry, allow anyone in your organization if you want anyone in the organization to view the video recording. Um, use the share with specific people if you want to enable that for outside your organization. The Meet Now feature. So there's a Meet Now feature in Microsoft Teams. You can check out my other videos. I have a Meet Now video out there that shows you how to create a Meet Now meeting and what it does. When a Meet Now meeting is started from the calendar app, the recording will be stored in the OneDrive of the person that started the meeting. This is the same experience as it is for a standard meeting. When a Meet Now is started in a channel, in a team, the recording will be stored in the files for that channel in the recordings folder within the team. This is the same experience as the channel. So that's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining. Please like my videos, share my videos, and also follow me for more videos that are coming out. I'm excited about this announcement. Microsoft Stream is a great product. I think it offers lots of great features within for video, but now being able to expand the storage to SharePoint and OneDrive is a huge win for Microsoft. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.